ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 117. There is some different reading in another tika. Pratibandhak abhavasya, fourth line from the bottom on 117. तयाच शक्तेः पदार्थान्तरत्वे दाहादि लक्षण कार्यानुपपत्तिरेव प्रमाणम. So Siddhanti established that there is a different padartha called Shakti, like Dahadi Shakti. Shaktehe padarthantaratve Dahadi Lakshana Karya Anupapattihi. So Dahadi Lakshana would not happen if some such thing called Shakti, different from the Agni Padartha, would not have been there. Means Agni is different, Agni Shakti is different. Agni Shakti is the Dahata Shakti. Dahadi Lakshana Karya, this would not happen if Shakti was not there. But Dahadi Lakshanam means Dahadi happens, therefore separate Shakti has to be accepted. Anupapattireva Pramanam. Pratibandhaka Abhavasya. So this is where the different reading is there. Instead of Pratibandha Bhavasya, Pratibandhaka Abhavasya tu Abhavataya na hetutvam. Pratibandhaka Abhavasya. Make the correction itself. I think this is a right reading. There is no Pratibandhaka in this. Means in accepting another Shakti, there is no Pratibandhaka. Pratibandhaka Abhavasya tu Abhavataya na hetutvam. So Pratibandhaka Abhava, because it is Abhava, Abhavataya na hetutvam. In other words, there is no Pratibandhaka. Pratibandhaka Abhavasya tu Abhavataya na hetutvam. Therefore, if you say that because there is no Pratibandhaka, this is how the whole discussion started. Somebody will say, why do you want to accept a separate Shakti? It is nothing but Pratibandhaka Abhava. You see, Pratibandhaka Abhava is not Shakti. Why? Because it is Abhava Rupa. Abhavataya na hetutva. The rest of the thing is same. Parasya Shaktir Vividhaiva Shruyate. This is the Shruti, and Shaktayah Sarva Bhavanam Achintya Jnana Gochara. This Smriti was also quoted to prove that there is some such thing called Shakti. Okay. Now further, page 118, Tika. Nanu santu karaneshu karyanumeya shaktayah. प्रकृतेकेन कार्येण पदनिष्ठा शक्तिरनुमीयत कारणेषु कार्यानुमेया शक्ति. So in Agni, Daha is the Karya. Daha Karyena Anumeya Shakti. Like that, Shakti Anumana you can do. So we saw that in the previous session, like if somebody says, the Daha, like that, in Kambu Grivadiman Ghata, there also there is Shakti. Kena Karyena Padanistha Shakti Anumiyate. How will you know Padanistha Shakti? So he says, Sacha Mula. Sacha Tattat Padajanya Padartha Jnana Rupa Karyanumeya. Sa Shakti hi Tattat Padajanya Padartha Jnana Rupa Karyanumeya. So Padajanya Padartha Jnana Shabda Bodha takes place. That Shabda Bodha Karya proves that each pada has different Shakti. Padartha Jnanam Padanistha Swanupula Shakti Purvakam. Now he is doing the Anumana. Padartha Jnanam Padanistha Swanupula Shakti Purvakam. Padajanya Padartha Jnana Rupa Karyatvat. Iti evam anumeya ityartha. Shakti, sa Shakti hi anumeya. What is the vyapti here? Okay, what is the hetu?
पदजन्य पदार्थ ज्ञान रूप कार्यत्वम.
Padajanya Padartha Jnana Rupa Karyatvam. This is the hetu. And sadhya is
पदनिष्ठ स्वानुकूल शक्ति रूप पूर्वक.
Purvakatvam. Padanistha Swanukula Shakti Purvakatvam. So the vyapti will be yatra yatra Padajanya Padartha Jnana Rupa Karyatvam. Padajanya Padartha Jnana Rupa Karya. Wherever the Jnanam is taking place because of the Pada, the Jnanam is Padajanyam. Padajanya Padartha Jnanam Rupa Karyatvam Tatra Tatra Padanistha Swanukula Shakti Purvakam. There has to be a Shakti in the Pada and it has to be Anukula Shakti, based on which some Padartha Jnanam is taking place. Drishtanta will be like Ghata. Ghatapada Janya Ghata Padartha Jnanam is taking place. Therefore, Ghatapada Nishtha Swanukula Shakti has to be there. In the same way, any Padartha Jnanam, Tat Padartha, Tvam Padartha, any Pata Padartha, any Padartha Jnanam will require Padajanya Padartha Shakti. Evam Shaktim Nirupya Shakyam Lakshayati. So, Shakti Nirupana is done. Now, Shakya is explaining. Adrisha Shakti Vishayatvam Shakyatvam. Adrisha Mulam Shakti Vishayatvam Shakyatvam. In Tika. उक्त तादृश मीन्स उक्त लक्षण शक्ति विषयत्वम. तादृश शक्ति मीन्स उक्त लक्षण शक्ति विषयत्वम शक्यत्वम. तच्च शक्यत्वम. In Moolam it is given Shakyam. I mean in Tika. Taccha Shakyam.
Shakyatvam is given.
Shakyatvam is there. Shakyatvam you can use. Taccha Shakyatvam.
Swamiji, in the book is Shakyatvam. In the book.
Yes. Shakyatvam.
Yes.
तच्च शक्यत्वम जातेर व्यक्तेर्वा इति अपेक्षायाम. शक्यत्वम इज ऑफ जाति और व्यक्ति इति अपेक्षायाम. In other words, when you say Shakya, Shakya is Shakyatvam is Vishayatvam. Shakya is a Vishaya of Shakti. Shakti Vishaya is Shakya. Now the question is it of Jati or of Vyakti? इति अपेक्षायाम आह. तच्च जातेरेव न व्यक्तेः. सिद्धांति वेदांत सिद्धांत is this. The Shakti is in Jati. Shakti is not in Vyakti. Now you see there are different objections on that. See Tika first. Jati hi. So see 1 number टिप्पणी. जाते है एव ननु पूर्व ग्रंथे जाते है खंडनम कृतम. In प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण you did खंडनम of जाति. It was said here they have given in pratyaksha. खंडनम कृतम अत्र शक्यत्वं जातेर व्यवस्थाप्यते इति पूर्वापर विरोधः इति चेत्. That जातित्व उपाधित्व परिभाषायाः सकल प्रमाण गोचरतया जातित्व and upadhitva, both of their khandanam was done in Moolam. You remember this part? This sentence was there. Jatitva upadhitva paribhashayaha sakala pramana gocharatvat pramana agocharataya. Because you don't see jati, vyakti, etc. And therefore, there is no such thing called jati, upadhi. Jatitva upadhitva. because they are sakala apramana agochara. Now Siddhanti says Shakti is in Jati. Atra Shakyatvam Jatir Vyavasthapyate iti Purvapara Virodha. Do you remember or not this Jatitva Khandana?
Yes.
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 Siddhanti says na asmabhir jati khandita kintu tasyaha padarthantaratvam. This is, we are not doing khandanam, or we did not do khandanam of jati. We did only this khandanam that there is no separate padartha called jati, the way it is accepted by Nayayika. Nayayika abhimata jati khandanam we did. Means it is not a different thing, it is not something which is staying in the dravya as with samavaya sambandha, etc., etc. It is nitya. That khandanam we did, because according to us only Brahma is nitya. So tasyaha padarthantaratvam kim. Khanditam. Tathaiva tasya lakshanadikam cha khanditam. And its lakshanam, the way it is given by Nayayika, that khandanam we did. Sakala ghata vyaktishu anugata ghatatva rupa dharmastu svikrita eva. But in all ghata vyakti, there is one anugata ghatatva rupa dharma that we have accepted. Svikrita eva iti na purva para virodha iti. Therefore, there is no purva para virodha. तथा च अत्र सर्वत्र वा जाति पदेन अनुगतो धर्म एव ग्राह्य इति ध्येय. तथा च अत्र सर्वत्र, अत्र and everywhere else also, सर्वत्र by jati pada anugata dharma is what we mean. Nayayika can mean something, but our understanding is different. टीका. जातिरत्र अनुगतो धर्म परैहि जाति शब्देन व्यवह्रियमाणस् तेन जातित्व उपाधित्व परिभाषायाः सर्वप्रमाणागोचरत्व उक्ति विरोधो न शक्यः. Jati is anugata dharma for us. For them, jati is something which is anugata, but it is not a dharma, it is a different entity. They have given a different padartha name called jati. And therefore, tena jatitva upaditva paribhashayaha sarva pramana gocharatva ukti virodha, this, what we had said earlier, this is not in contradiction with what we had said before. Virodho na shankyaha. Tatra hetumaha vyaktinam iti, not dirgha mi, vyaktinam iti, rasva mi. Vyaktinam anantyena gurutvat. Vyaktinam anantyam, there are infinite vyaktis. So, we don't say Shakti is in each vyakti. We say Shakti is in jati, which is anugata dharma. So now you understand what Purvapaksha will argue. According to Siddhanti, Ghataha Shakti, Ghata Padasya Shakti is where in jati or vyakti.
Vyakti.
What vyakti? I just read the jati part. You see the second line in the Moolam. Tacha
Ghata jati.
na vyaktehe. In the Moolam 118. Tacha jatereva na vyaktehe. Shakti is in what? It is in jati.
Jati. Jati. Sorry.
So if Shakti is in Jati, when I say Ghatamanaya, okay, let's go step by step. When I show you Ghata, you understand Ghata Jati, Kambu Grivadiman. Then any other such object, you understand this is Ghata because it has Ghatatva. If we say this Ghata, this is called Ghata, this Vyakti is called Ghata. If Pada Shakti is in Vyakti, then what will be the problem?
Some other Ghata is shown.
This object you will understand. Another Ghata, when it comes, then you say, no, that object was Ghata. This object is something else. So again, I will have to say, this object is called Ghata. So you say, okay, this I understand. Then third object, again, somebody has to give you Jnana. This is called Ghata. Then you will understand. Because you are accepting Pada Shakti only in Vyakti. Vyakti Nam Anantyatvat. That is this Pada. Vyakti Nam Anantyena Gurutvat. So if there are infinite Vyaktis, how many times you will have to know the Vyakti? Each time, Ghata, 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 Ghata. Go, go, go. So Gotva, once you know, it is clear. The problem is this. If the person says, Ghatamanaya, what will you bring? Ghata or Ghatatva? Because if you say Pada Shakti is in Jati, Ghatamanaya means you have to bring Ghatatva Jati. Ghatatva Jati you cannot bring. Gam Anaya. You say Go Pada Shakti is in Jati, Gotva. So Gam Anaya, what will you bring? This will be the problem. So according to Nayayika, there is Ghatatva different from Ghata. Ghatatva stays in Ghata with Samavaya Sambandha. This part we want to do Khandana. This is not true. Ghatatva is Anugata Dharma in all Ghata. All those Padarthas which has Samana Akriti. Okay. So now, Ghatamanaya, Gamanaya, or Vrihin Prokshati. So Vrihi Prokshanam means Vrihitva Jati Prokshanam it will become. But that is inappropriate. Because Jati Padartha is Amurta. Or Dharma is Amurta. It doesn't have a form. You cannot do Anayana, you cannot do Prokshana, etc. So, in these sentences where Kriya is there and you want to do Kriya with a Vyakti, there will be a dosha. Okay, let us see further what is said. Nanu Anugata Dharmasya Shakyatva Abhyupagame. If Anugata Dharma called Jati is Shakyatva, If you accept that, abhyupagame gam anaya pashum alabhet ityadau gavadi padat vyakti bhanam na syat, then gavadi pada should not give you vyakti bhanam na syat iti ashankate. Iti ashankate. Katham tarhi gavadi padat vyakti bhanam, then how gavadi pada will give vyakti bhanam iti chet जातेर व्यक्ति समान संवित संवेद्यत्वात् इति ब्रूमः. विषय जाते है व्यक्ति समान संवित संवेद्यत्वम. संवित मीन्स
Chaitanya.
here you have to understand as jnana. Samvit means jnana. Samvedya means jnana. Samvit means jnana. Samvedya means jnana. जाते है व्यक्ति समान ज्ञान ज्ञेयत्वात्. You can simplify the words. जात व्यक्ति समान संवित संवेद्य means when vyakti bhanam takes place, jati bhanam also takes place in the same jnana. Both become jnana, jati and vyakti in the same jnana. They are jate he vyakti saman samvit samvedyatvam iti. This is Vedanta Mata. Therefore, not only you are getting the knowledge of jati, vyakti together jnanam is taking place. So that's why ghatam anaya, you will know ghatatva jati. Along with that, you got ghata vyakti jnana. Next time you will see ghata, in that vyakti you will get ghatatva jati jnanam also. And when somebody says ghatam anaya, so in that ghatam, ghata pada will have jati and vyakti together, because jate he vyakti samana samvit samvedyatvam is there. See in tika. Yadyapi jati reva shakya. Really speaking, jati alone is shakya. Tathapi dharma तद्वतो तादात्म्यात् एक संवित्ति संवेद्यत्वात् व्यक्ति समान संवित संवेद्य जाति भान समये व्यक्ति भानम अविरुद्धम इत्याह. जाति is in jati hi eva shakya is shakya, but dharma and tadvato tadatmyat. So in Nyaya Darshan, dharma and dharmavan, they are separated. We will say dravya and guna. But in Vedanta, we will have tadatmya. When we say Vedanta means, Kumaril Bhatta also has the same Siddhanta. So guna, gunavan, they have given some prashta in your text. Second number tippani. Tippani number 2. व्यक्तेः समान संवित् व्यक्ति समान संवित् तथा संवेद्या व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्या व्यक्तेः समाना संवित् संवित् इज ए स्त्रीलिंग शब्द दैट्स व्हाई समाना व्यक्ति समान संवित् तथा संवेद्या व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्या तस्याः भाव तस्याः भाव then what will be the answer व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्याः भावः will be what व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्यत्वम when you say bhava means total pratyay you have to add either of them so व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्यत्वम तस्मात् व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्यत्वात् तथा
Why?
with
Swamiji.
व्यक्ति ज्ञानम how it will be घटवृत्ति घटत्वम गृह्यते वृत्ति घटत्वम गृह्यते तथैव घटस्यापि ग्रहणं भवति घटत्व and घट both ग्रहणं take place why वेद न्यायेन अवयवी रेफा is also missing अवयविनोर जाति व्यक्तिर्वा अभेद अभ्युपगमात् न सामग्र्यांतरस्य आवश्यकता इति तात्पर्यम् Can you all hear me?
Swamiji, audio is poor, Swamiji.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Now we can, Swamiji.
So in the second number tippani, it is said, व्यक्तेः समाना संवित् व्यक्ति समान संवित् तथा संवेद्या व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्या तस्याः भावः व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्यत्वम् तस्मात् व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्यत्वात् so the jati and vyakti they jate व्यक्ति समान संवित् संवेद्यत्वात् this is what is said in the moolam that टीकाकार टिप्पणीकार explained. Then he says यथा संविद् व्यक्त्या घटवृत्ति घटत्वं गृह्यते तथैव घटस्यापि ग्रहणं भवति संविद् व्यक्त्या घटवृत्ति घटत्वं by घटवृत्ति घटत्व becomes known तथैव घटस्यापि ग्रहणं in the same way घटस्य ग्रहणं also happens. So ghatatva and ghata both become known together. And in Vedanta Mata tad ananyatvam arambhana shabdadibhyah guninor avayava avayavinor jati vyaktiorva. Two mistakes are there in that sentence. Avayava avayavino jati vyaktyo. Jati vyakti there is no bheda. Guna guni there is no bheda. Avayava abhi means tadatmya sambandha is there. Abhedat abhyupagamat abheda abhyupagamat na samagri antarasya avashyakata. Separate samagri is not needed for the jnanam of Vyakti different from Jati. They both become known together. So that is what is said in Tika. Dharma tadvato stadatmya. Between dharma and dharmavan, there is tadatmya. Eka samvitti samvedyatvat. They both are eka samvitti samvedya. व्यक्ति समान संवित्ति संवेद्य जाति भान समये व्यक्ति भानम अविरुद्धम. व्यक्ति समान संवित्ति संवेद्य जाति भान समये, when जाति भान takes place, व्यक्ति भानम अविरुद्धम. व्यक्ति भानम also will take place. Further, now he gives some vikalpa. Danu पदात् व्यक्ति संविद एव दुर्लभा तत्प्रयोजक शक्तेर अभावात् इति अरुचेः आह. Then somebody may argue, or this person himself feels, padat vyakti samvid eva durlabha. Through pada jnanam, vyakti samvid is not taking place. So vyakti samvid durlabha. And therefore, he gives yadva. So this is slightly different way how Vedanti would explain. That is given here. Yadva. Gavadi padanam vyaktau shaktihi swarupa sati natu jnata hetuhu. In the Chaukhambha book, there is a correction. In Tika, third line that is given, it is given in bold and big fonts. Jatau tu jnata na vyaktyamshe shakti jnanam api karanam gauravat. That whole line should be in Moolam after Yadva. After that entire line, Yadva gavadi padanam vyaktau shaktihi swarupa sati natu jnata hetu. After that, that Moolam should come. Everybody understood?
Yes.
So Yadva, see Tippani number 1. Purva Granthe Vyakti Shakti Nirakrata. In the previous portion, Vyakti Shakti was eliminated. Jati Shakti we accepted. तथा जब प्रयोजक शक्ति अभावात् व्यक्ति संविद अभाव एव युक्तः इति अतः पक्षांतर अनुसरणम. प्रयोजक शक्ति अभावात्. So if there is no prayojaka shakti, vyakti samvid abhava, vyakti jnanam will never take place. It will always be jati and Vyakti together. So, therefore, Yadva, Pakshantara. In Mulam, Gavadi Padanam Vyaktau Shakti. Now, Siddhanti gives another approach. Let us say Shakti is in Vyakti, but Swarupa Sati, Swarupataha, that Shakti is there. Na to Jnata Shakti. Means that Shakti is not Hetu for Shabda Bodha. Na to Jnata Shakti Shabda Bodhe Hetu. Hetu means Shabda Bodhe Hetu. In other words, Ghata Vyakti has Shakti, but it is existing. It is not known. Still, its jnanam will take place. So the example is when Ghata Utpatti takes place. So, one is Swarupataha Satta and another is Jnata Satta. I had given this example earlier that Agni, you don't have to have Jnanam for it to do Daha. It is existing, it will do its work, whether you know it or not, like medicines also. Whereas the snake, Swarupataha is not because of fear. Jnatatvena, it is cause of fear. You remember this Drishtanta I had given?
Yes, Swamiji.
So like that, here also, Swarupataha, if it is there. So now what Siddhanti is giving another alternative. First, he gave one standpoint, Shakti is in Jati. When Jati Jnanam takes place, Vyakti Jnanam also takes place, you will get it. Second option is, Shakti is in Jati also, Vyakti also. But the Vyakti, in that it is Swarupataha. And in Jati, it is Jnana, Jnata. So, Gavadi Padanam Vyaktau Shakti hi Swarupasati. Swarupataha it is there. Natu Jnata Shabda Bodhe Hetu. See Tika. Swarupasati means Swarupena eva Vartamana. Vyakti Bodhaka Gavadi Padanishta Samarthya Swarupam Asti eva ityartha. Vyakti Bodhaka Gavadi Padanishta. Gavapada Gavadi Padanishta Samarthya is in Vyakti. Asti eva. What is the Vyavartyam? Vyavartyam aha. Natu Jnata Hetu. Not as Jnata. Why? Jatau tu Jnata. See that Mulam Jatau tu Jnata. You know where Jatau tu Jnata is written?
After
Third line.
Jnata Hetu.
Where?
आफ्टर ज्ञाता हेतुः
Yes. That is, in other book it is correct. Those who are referring to Kailash Ashram book, it is okay. It is given already. Jata tu jnata. No, in Chaukhamba book where it is.
In Tika, bold.
It is in Tika, third line. So gavadi पदार्थ व्यक्ति भानार्थम गवादि पदानाम व्यक्तौ शक्ति ही अस्ति इति ज्ञानम न अपेक्षितम इत्यर्थः। गवादि पदार्थ व्यक्ति भानार्थम by the गौ पद व्यक्ति भानार्थम गवादि पदानाम व्यक्तौ शक्ति ही अस्ति। In व्यक्ति शक्ति is there. इति ज्ञानम न अपेक्षितम। It is स्वरूपतः it is there. It is, you don't have to know it. एतदेव स्पष्टयति जातौ तु ज्ञाता. In jati it should become known, and in vyakti it should be स्वरूपतः विद्यमान. गवादि पदानां जातौ शक्ति ही इति ज्ञाता जातिमान हेतु इत्यर्थः. In jati shakti it should become known. ज्ञाता जातिमान हेतु. व्यक्ति भाने शक्ति ही कारणम न तो तद ज्ञानम अपि. In व्यक्ति भाने शक्ति is कारणम, but shakti's jnanam is not karanam. Shakti's jnanam is not needed. Shakti is there. That is how vyakti bhanam takes place. न व्यक्ति अंशे शक्ति ज्ञानम अपि कारणम. In मूलम न व्यक्ति अंशे शक्ति ज्ञानम अपि कारणम गौरवात्. In व्यक्ति अंश शक्ति ज्ञानम is not karanam. Otherwise, the gaurav dosha, you will need to know so many things. तत्र हेतुमाह गौरवात् इति. उभयत्र शक्ति ज्ञानस्य कारणत्व कल्पने गौरवात्. उभयत्र means
both Swarupa
Swarupata and
no. Jati and vyakti. Jati and vyakti. In jati also shakti jnanam is required. In vyakti also shakti jnanam is required. Then there is gaurava. In jati vyakti jnanam is needed. Shakti jnanam is required. But in vyakti shakti jnanam is not required. Shakti is swarupata. So ubhayatra shakti jnanasya. Shakti is in both, but shakti jnanam is required only in
Jati.
jati. Shakti jnanasya karanatva. Karanatva for what? Shabda bodha. Karanatva kalpane gauravat. Nanu आवश्यकत्वात् गौरवम न दोषावहम इति आशंका. You are saying it is gaurava, but what is avashyaka you have to have. If you need shakti in two, you have to have shakti in both. You have to have jnata shakti in both. You have to accept that. You cannot say no, it is gaurava, therefore I don't need it. So gauravam na doshavaham iti ashankya. जाति शक्ति मत्व मूलम. जाति शक्ति मत्व ज्ञाने सति व्यक्ति शक्ति मत्व ज्ञानम विना व्यक्ति धी विलंब अभावाच्च. जाति शक्ति मत्व ज्ञाने सति. जाति शक्ति मत्व ज्ञानम when it is there and known. व्यक्ति शक्ति मत्व ज्ञानम विना, without व्यक्ति शक्ति ज्ञानम also व्यक्ति धी ज्ञानम will take place spontaneously without any delay. Vilamba abhavacha. Vyakti dhi vilamba abhavacha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।